Alright people, I'm running probably around an hour late right now. I've slept through 3 alarms, which I can't actually believe. Zach is already here. They checked my bags for the batteries as per usual. They didn't even know what to do with it, but we fixed it. But yeah, I'm currently rushing. I can't actually believe I came so late. Let's see if I can make it. But I should add, there's never not enough time for coffee. Let's get a coffee.
Cheers, sir.
Thank you so much. Alright, after probably like 2 hours, no, not even an hour full of stress,
struggle, and misery,
Fabrizi made it. I made it in time, which I actually can't believe because I woke up at 6. What time did I call you?
What happened? 6:40.
What didn't happen?
6:45.
Yeah, I think I called Zach at 6. No, 6. I called him at 6.
I was sitting there.
No,
eating
6:45.
I was sitting there eating a burrito at 8:39, wondering, oh, he'll be there in 5-10 minutes.
Yeah.
I get a ring.
and the rest is history. Woke up at 6:30. Realized, oh my god, my alarms didn't go off. Rushed my way into the shower. You know, luckily I, for some reason, packed everything. And to be honest, I'm just freaking stoked to get on this trip. Alright guys, we just touched on Melbourne. Just trying to organize the car right now. Driver license? Don't tell me there was something over. Okay, so what we did yesterday, Zach lost his driving license, so he needed to send in a picture of him holding the driver license. So I had to Photoshop a picture of his driver license into his hands. I thought we were smart, but I think we just got busted for it.
You're busted.
We got busted. What is going on, guys? We are currently in the car. Zach is with me to give you a bit of an update what's been happening since we've been checking in today and arrived in Melbourne. Sorry, we just need to be careful here for a sec. So yeah, what's been happening is that we were planning on going to see a waterfall today. In fact, we were thinking to do some FPV stuff there and a bunch of other videos. And I put out on my stories a couple days ago that I'm going to Melbourne, and a couple of people have reached out. And one of them is, what was his name again? Marcus? I think Marcus. I hope I got this name wrong. If I don't, I'm so sorry. He reached out to us and he was kind enough to tell us some cool spots that we should definitely check out. Long story short, he's currently behind us in his car, following us along. We are basically going to, what's the name? Trentham Waterfalls. That's where we're going at the moment. It's raining in Melbourne at the moment, which is actually a good thing because that means the water is pumping. Exactly. We've done something similar to that at Belmore Falls a couple months ago with Zach. Probably one of our first adventures.
Yes, and we're not doing this for us. We're doing this for the FPV fam.
Exactly. So if you part of into FPV, yeah, put it one in the comments. Yeah. But yeah, so that's actually quite nostalgic. So yeah, but that day was actually super pumped. We got some great footage simply because it was raining. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we have the same conditions or similar ones. But yeah, anyways, should be a good one. Catch you later on the road. Let's go.
Can I be honest with you? Every day's a great day.
Wow, did not expect that.
You can give me snow, you can give me humidity, you give me breezy and a lens, and
exactly.
It's a wrap.
As long as we're together, it's always a good day.
Every day with you is a motherfucking blur. Felt like yesterday we were chilling at the icebergs. These days, think about it for a sec. Jarvis, Byron, then we go to I don't know where we going next. Every day, man, be aware though. I can't see where I'm going off this.
So we made it to the waterfall. We were actually expecting a bit more water action. It's actually not crazy.
It's trickling.
Yeah, we thought it was like because it was raining
but
all
it's
day.
Steep.
It is steep. Let's have a look actually. Cool. We were expecting a bit more action with the water, especially because it was raining. We'll make the most of it. Let's go. What is going on, guys? So we just did a little bit of FPV action. I know it was quite late, so we arrived here like around 5:30ish or 5:20, so we didn't have much sunlight. So it's quite dark already. However, I found a really cool spot over there behind the tree branch, and I just flew under it. I haven't really looked at the footage yet, but I hope it's gonna turn out well. So we had Zach walking over those rocks. I was flying above or behind him, went all the way up to the waterfall, dive this down, and we're gonna head back now and see if we can organize a new adventure for tomorrow. Let's go. Good morning, fam. We didn't actually just wake up. We've been up since 6 a.m. because Zach had to do an interview with a Daily Mail over in the US. But yeah, we're just packing up for our little trip. We're gonna go down the Great Ocean Road. And I just thought I'd give you a little quick tour of what I actually packed on a trip like that. I got the DJI system as per usual. I got a bunch of batteries. Everything is a bit crowded at the moment, but because I'm in a bit of a rush. However, I got also a field charge battery, 6,000 milliampere, to get my to be able to recharge my batteries. And I'm using this charger here, the smart charger from HobbyMate, in order to charge everything on the field. So yeah, pretty stoked for this little trip, and I'll catch you guys on the road. Let's go. What is going on, guys? We just had a beautiful breakfast at
Undercover Roasters HQ, and it was definitely high quality.
Literally, that was probably the best coffee.
The only thing better than the food and the coffee would have to be the service.
Yes, like for real, that was actually beautiful.
Just an incredible morning. We're on the highway right now to where?
Exactly. Oh, great question. This is great.
Great segue.
Great segue. We are on the road. That's right. We are on the road to Great Ocean Road. But yeah, so we are on the road. We're just driving out of Melbourne right now. Pretty stoked actually for this, bro. Like,
if you think about the name, right? People always ask how you doing. You say good. No, we're doing fucking great. Like
we're doing fucking great.
It's not called Good Ocean Road. It's called Great.
Exactly. It's called great for a reason.
Exactly.
Yo, I like that. Yeah. Damn. So as you can see, the energy is very high in this car.
As always.
As per usual, exactly.
If it's a rental, the energy is...
It's always. You say rental, I say energy. It doesn't rhyme, but I'm here because we are a synergy. My name is Fabrizi, yeah, you got it, by content creation and easy. I'm drinking coffee, yeah, you got it, because I'm... Fabrizi. No, as I said, on the road, gonna be an epic day. We're actually not quite sure where we're gonna stop first. That's probably something I'm gonna do now. Check research a little bit. But yeah, I'm just keen to be here, brother.
The best thing is being on the road with a plan but no plan.
Exactly. But yeah, anyways, I'll catch you guys in a couple of minutes. Oh shit. Spilled coffee. Ah, fuck me, man. What is going on, people? We just went for a drive and we are back because we arrived. Let's go. Mountain high, ain't nobody knows. I don't know the lyrics. Let's go. We are just, I think we kind of arrived at where? The grotto or something? No.
The One Apostle.
The One Apostle, exactly. Yeah, we just did a little break here to walk a little bit. We're not there yet. Stretching.
4 hours.
We've been driving for 4 hours, hey?
Let's go.
Pretty much. Ain't nobody like us. We actually arrived earlier than I expected. I thought it was gonna be a bit of a walk, but
we're here now.
Finally made it. 12.
2 landmarks.
Is it 12 apostles?
12 apostles.
Yeah, 12 apostles and 2 landmarks.
Yeah.
Okay, that was not funny. That's cool. The idea that we just had was, hey, why don't we ask our friends over there at the helicopter facility, which is over there.
Right over there.
You know, we're gonna ask them, hey, how about you help us out in creating the most incredible content out of a helicopter? So we just checked it out. We're gonna shoot them an email later.
Richard.
Fingers crossed. I'd say his chances are 60-40. 60% that we make it, 40% that we definitely make it. Because
60%,
I'm always positive.
60% Richard does it for us. 40% we pay.
I think so. Oh, yeah. I'm paying shit. All right, guys. We just did a bit of flying here. Pretty happy with it. But as I was flying, I saw an even better spot further down. So we're gonna head there right now. But yeah, hopefully it will be worth it. It's not that far, but epic content coming in hot. Pretty stoked with the footage. I just looked at it already on the camera, on the GoPro. But yeah, as I was flying just earlier, I saw a cool grotto. It reminded me when I was back in Italy, Capri. So hopefully the plan now is to fly through it, really. So I'm just out here preparing everything for the major flight. This spot, first of all, is absolutely amazing, but more importantly, I found this grotto, which I hope you can see right now. We should be right behind me over there. And I'm really considering flying right now, but I'm not quite sure if I should. But sometimes you just gotta risk it for the biscuit. The only thing that I'm worried about is the connectivity. But yet again, I'll probably do it. Let's see how I go. All right, boys and girls. Yeah, actually someone is calling me.
Go put the drone up.
Yeah.
Fly onto the other side.
Ah, yeah, okay.
So, and then test your connection on the other side.
Okay.
Make sure the connection's all good, and
Yeah.
then you'll be fine going under.
Okay, cool. It's so windy right now. The ocean is so rough to grab. If I pull this off, brother.
It's gonna look
Oh!
Last thing you want to say to the camera. real quick.
This better work.
Let's go.
LFG.
I got this, baby.
But that's scary enough.
Not scaring you. We're here. We're at the pinnacle. It's time.
Man.
Think about 30 minutes from now when we're in the car and you have the footage.
I love that.
That mindset.
I love that.
And we're off.
So I'm just testing connectivity right now. It's actually not bad, bro. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. It's dodgy. Definitely dodgy, bro. But I can do it if I'm quick, bro.
If you jerk back up, what did he say?
If I like full on throttle up.
You can make it work.
This was the moment for breezing in.
I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm still gonna do it.
Gonna pop that chair.
Against the camera.
Pop that chair.
Yo.
Hey, yo. Show me what, ready? 3,
The
2,
adrenaline. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna show you. Flying from over there, all the way down, close to the rocks, and then I'm gonna fly through that rock. I'm gonna go like boom, and then back up.
Ready? Let's change this battery. Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Guys, I just did it. I just flew the drone through the grotto. I actually can't believe it. I thought it would be crazy in terms of connectivity, but it was actually not too bad. And I just looked at the footage, and let me tell you, it was next level. Zach, what do you say? Next level! Let's fucking go, guys. Whenever you want to do something, whenever you doubt yourself, just start. I just doubted myself, saying, oh, maybe I shouldn't do it, maybe I can't do it. But then this guy in the back pushed me and he told me, do it, bro. You can do it. You matter most. And he was right. And I even called up a dude that I just met yesterday through Instagram, and he said the same. Again, surround yourself with the right people, guys, and you go places. I promise. Let's go. Good morning, y'all. We just made it to basically the 12 apostles.
3 landmarks.
And the 3 the 12 apostles and 3 landmarks in the car. For those who don't know yet, this is Marcus, aka
The Kid.
The Kid.
The Kid.
Exactly.
And if we were in the Blue Mountains, we would be the 3 sisters.
Absolutely. Oh, it's currently 6:13 a.m. We're on an epic sunrise mission to get the banger shot for you guys. So make sure to smash that like, subscribe, and all that kind of stuff. But plan is to go down. What's the plan, bro?
Go to Gibson Steps.
Yep.
Smash out some FPV footage.
You got it.
Then go send the Great Ocean Road.
Yep.
Then have some lunch. Chill out.
Great.
Yep. Great.
Like number 4.
I like
send
that.
some more.
And then what?
Send some more.
Send some more. Exactly. What I really hope for is great lighting, good vibes always, and yeah, I just really look forward to the shot. So that's my baby for today, the Titan XL5, my partner in crime. If I'm Bonnie, she is Clyde, or the other way around. Yeah. Of course you are too. It's freezing out here actually. It's so cold. The ocean is right behind me. I can hear the water crashing against the walls of the great ocean road. I don't know if you know what I'm saying, but anyways, it's really powerful out there. All right, boys and girls, we just set up. Everything is ready. I'm ready. My boy Zach is ready. As I said, the plan is to come and cliff dive the cliff behind us, come down, running. He's running, I fly behind him, and then hopefully through that gap. Let's get it. I flew through the hole. You saw it? Wow.
I didn't see it.
Dude, you didn't see it, doesn't. Oh, you see it in the camera. It was crazy, but it's way too far away. To make this one clip, it does not work. It takes me way too long to get out there. The only thing I would think would work from starting from there, flying through it, and then like just full send it back to you and you run this way. Tough one though. So now we're gonna do this again. The colors are looking a bit better, a bit of reds, a bit of orange hues. Yeah, time to rip battery number 2. Let's go. Water grip.
Good.
I'm shaking, brother. Dude, I'm like fucking, oh my god, my adrenaline just spiked like.
The grotto. There's a few grottos, but basically this is the main attraction.
Okay.
And when you see when we go down, it's a giant, basically open in the rock face.
Lovely.
And
Love that.
it looks fucking insane.
This is also not safe what I'm doing, but just quickly, we have Marcus going on the edge of the cliff in the back here. He's gonna go somewhere over there, and I'm basically gonna fly from up there all the way down, dive down, come out here, come out there. There's a grotto, and fly all the way to him. Wow. Last shot of the day. Quick update. We were riding on the Great Ocean Road, and Breezy, which is me, wanted to go through the footage, and as I was taking the GoPro SD card out of my camera, it just jumped out of the camera basically outside the window. So currently my SD card is somewhere in the Great Ocean Road. That's right, and thank God I actually backed up my 2 banger shots of the grotto and the other things that we went to. I forgot the name. Nice try. So yeah, good luck to me. But yeah, quick little last sneaky adventure, whatever you may want to call it. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna be worth it. Absolutely. Can't wait. Let's go. Dude, this is nuts. Wow. Oh bro, is this the place basically?
Yeah.
Oh dude. Oh wow. Wow. This is crazy, bro. Woo! Alright guys, time to call this a day. We had an amazing trip and this road trip together with Zach and Marcus. I just want to say thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you liked it, make sure you like, subscribe and show some love. And other than that, I'll see you in the next one. Let's go.